In this video, we are going to see how to clean a greasy and dirty mixie which is still working. This is a Philips mixie. We are going to dismantle it to give it a thorough cleaning. Since this is an electrical unit, we are going to remove the switches and the motor to avoid water and unintended damage while cleaning. First, remove the screws which are usually located underneath the mixie as shown. The number of screws and their location varies upon the make and model. Make sure the plug is disconnected before opening. This is the motor speed selector switch. Note the connections or wiring diagram along with photos of the unit before dismantling so that it will be easy while assembling again. If one is not comfortable with this step, they may skip this step and clean only the exterior part of the mixie. For the motor unit to be taken out, we have to unscrew the motor coupler by rotating it in a clockwise direction at the same time holding the motor's armature. Handle the motor carefully so that its windings do not get accidental damage. Note the placement of screws, washers, bushers and gaskets while disassembling. If the accumulated oil stains are thick and tough as in this case, use a knife to scrape away the grease as shown. This way it will be easier for the cleaning in the following steps. Soak the plastic parts in water for 5 to 10 minutes and then clean the surface with a Scotch-Brite and any dishwasher. Repeat the scrubbing till all the stains are gone. To clear the yellowing of the white plastic, hydrogen peroxide solution can be used by following proper precautions. These are the mixie parts after cleaning. Let them completely dry before assembling. Check the motor's brushes for wear and tear. If you see a gap in between the brushes and the motor, take it to the mixie repair shop for changing the brushes. The mixie is now assembled the same way it was disassembled. The difference can now be seen clearly. Keeping the mixie covered will prevent accumulation of oil and dirt again if it is going to be stored in a kitchen. Regular cleaning after use will keep it in a good shape. Hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Please like and subscribe to get notifications on similar home appliances do-it-yourself service videos. Thank you.